Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start on Android. Enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then turn on allow mock locations. This lets a third-party app override GPS. Once done, install a reputable fake GPS app from the Play Store and keep it handy. Next, give Snapchat normal location permission so it can read the spoofed GPS. Without permission, Snapchat won't show the changed position. Now you're set to configure the fake location. Move to the app and choose the spot you want. Open developer options and choose the fake GPS app as the mock location provider. This makes the app inject coordinates system-wide. In the fake GPS interface, drop a pin or enter precise coordinates, then tap Start to stream that location. Once active, check device location by using a simple Maps app to confirm the phone reports the new coordinates. After verification, force stop Snapchat and clear its cache so it picks up the injected GPS when relaunched. Then open Snapchat to update Snap Map. Open Snapchat and go to Snap Map. You should now appear at the spoofed coordinates because Snapchat reads the system GPS. If it still shows your real location, make sure Snapchat's location permission is set to allow location while using, and that background location is enabled when required. Then force stop and relaunch the app. If problems persist, reboot the phone, restart the fake GPS session, and try again. One key troubleshooting tip. Some phones need developer mock app selected and rebooted before Snapchat accepts the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.